Get out of the way.
This is Guppa. He's already passed his driving test and has a full license. He came up from London to do a mock test with me here in Wolverhampton, and he's really confident.
You reckon he's gonna pass?
Yeah, of course.
But after watching his driving, I'm sure you guys will agree with me. I genuinely cannot believe this guy has a driving license.
Ready when you are?
Oh, good.
He oversteers, so our back tyre is on the pavement.
Drive to the right, sorry. Here.
Right, yeah?
Yeah. That's as soon as you accelerate, yeah.
He has the one-handed steering method used by many qualified drivers, which would not be marked as a fault on the driving test.
A bit the curve, maybe. I'm not sure. Or like there was a bump on the road or something. I don't know.
Drive to the left. And then we're going to exit the car park and then turn left, please.
Sure.
So with the parking brake, all you do is once you release once you accelerate, it releases, yeah?
No worries.
He carries out good observations before exiting the car park. This and Guppa's clutch control were the only positives.
Yeah, but all good, guys. All good.
And at the roundabout, turn right, please. Is that what you meant by the braking?
It's pretty harsh, isn't it?
Is that what you do in your car as well?
I don't know. When I'm in a newer car, or like if it's a car, I don't know. In my car, I don't realize how harsh I'm braking. But as soon as I sit with someone else driving, or like someone else is with me driving, that you brake pretty harshly.
Now this was a suitable gap to take, but he should have accelerated quicker when taking the gap.
You said you have passed your test, yeah?
Yeah. I don't really got my license on me, but I'm not lying, 100%.
Park up anywhere safe on the left, please.
On the left, yeah?
He's totally forgotten what he did on his actual test and parks on the pavement. When the examiner asks you to park up, do not park on the pavement.
I don't know if it's parking or not, bro. Each time I've parked in Birmingham, it's been on the side of the road like this. There's no bays, there's no lines, nothing. Whereas in London, there's tickets for everything. I could breathe wrong and get a parking ticket.
Okay.
Yeah.
Move off when you're ready, please.
Guppa starts reversing without all-round observations and moves when there is a vehicle approaching from behind.
I'm trying to go back a bit more now, what can I say? Let's let that guy go as well, then he's getting a bit close, and the truck behind him too.
When moving off, he doesn't check over his right shoulder, one of the key observations the examiner will be looking for. Guppa enjoys having a chat, which I don't mind, but when he's talking, he has a habit of removing his hands off the steering wheel. I'm going to speed up the clip a little.
Also, parking maneuvers maybe have you ever an issue. I'm not used to parking normally. I'm used to like having to fit my car in some next places, or like having to park while doing like a 5-point turn because the person next to me decided to take up 2 bays or something. I don't know how people do it, you know. Like, I've seen some people like they're just the most irresponsible working. Easy to play, like without swearing or anything. Like how and why? Why is half your car on a hatch line?
Okay, at this roundabout now, if you could turn right and take the second exit, please.
Second exit,
yeah,
right?
Second
yeah.
exit to the right. So there's 2 exits to the right here.
Okay.
We're going to be taking the second one, yeah?
M6 Warsaw.
That's the one.
Sure.
He selects the correct lane on approach, but instead of sticking to his lane, Guppa moves to the right. This would be marked as a serious fault on your driving test.
Not in the right lane, guys, am I?
For those of you that are learning to drive and want to save time on lessons, then check out my Ultimate Driving Course. Your instructor won't have to spend time parked up explaining stuff, and you'll enter each lesson with the correct knowledge.
Oh, I know this road. This is the way to my Mossie's house, bruv. Just keep on going and you turn somewhere and you end up at our house. I keep on forgetting to do that.
Guppa continues to drive in the right hand lane. It's okay in this situation because he's overtaking the slow moving vehicles to our left, but like I said, he continued doing it, as you'll see shortly.
Okay, go straight ahead, please.
Straight ahead, yeah.
Same again at this roundabout, moving from the centre to the right as he enters.
Okay, could you move over to the left? Cheers. Thanks.
That guy's gone. He's gone click this. One thing is, yeah, each time I've come to like Midlands, Birmingham, but especially when I come towards Dudley, I always see signs, no car cruising. I've always wondered, what is that? What's car cruising?
Guppa isn't aware of the lorry reversing and gets too close.
Car cruising, just when you're driving around, not with the aim of going anywhere, just driving around.
Well, gearing on that, innit?
That's it, gearing.
They've banned gearing on Dudley, bro. What are we gonna do? Okay, I'm not gonna try to take that. It's just...
You know what you've done here?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's best you can move to the left here now. Go on, more. Get out of the way.
Shortly, the lorry driver steps out. I'm not sure if he notices the cameras and decides not to confront us, but in all honesty, he has every right to be angry. I'm really sorry, mate.
The worst thing about truck standing is my school was right at the end of industrial estate. What was he?
He's come out to have a go at you.
At me?
Yeah.
Oh, that's great.
He's probably kind of blaming me because I'm the driving instructor, but
yeah.
Doesn't know you're already qualified. You should be able to get through that now.
So too, like that gate's very big.
Oh, it's about him swinging out.
Oh yeah,
because we were in his way earlier.
I think I've come a bit too forward. That's it, test failed right there. That's guys, finished guys. But what can we do? Other than hope this guy gets his truck into the day company.
Yeah, he's done now.
You'll notice the lorry driver putting his window down and he says something. Again, mate, you have every right to.
That guy wasn't happy. This is bad.
You're not giving me a very good reputation here.
Oh no. It's just trucks, man. Trucks have always haunted me.
Okay, you're driving too slow now. Yeah, come on, let's speed up.
Is it not a 20 road?
There's traffic, but no.
Oh, fair enough. I was just listening to the thing on the... Wasn't sure what the...
Listening, is he talking to you?
I can feel it, you know.
Park up anywhere safe on the left for me.
On the left, yeah.
After these lights, there are plenty of safe places to park up at, but Guppa can't seem to find one.
I can park like on the there, right? Then these cars park, right? I have no clue. I have no clue. Can I? Am I supposed to? Where are the bays?
Remember, this is a mock driving test, yeah?
I don't think there's anyone safe to park up on the right now, guys. On the left, sorry. That's it. One maneuver failed. Probably many right now.
And when he does park up, again he parks on the pavement and opposite a junction.
Thank you, I'll move off when you're ready.
Walk and roll. That's funny.
That was funny.
The shop's name Walk and Roll, innit? Like rock and roll.
Oh.
Yeah. Because they got a walk in there and they do that, the Joe Mean and that, and then them have rolls and spring rolls.
You understand that walk. Doing right.
Right, yeah?
Okay, now if you could park up behind that black car.
Yeah.
Don't park on the curb. Yeah. Park behind it, give yourself enough space to move off, yeah? That's fine. We're going to finish off the test with the reverse parallel parking maneuver.
Sure.
Yeah, using that black car. And while we're doing it, I'll give you the feedback as well
Yeah.
of the rest of the test, yeah? Okay, while you're parking.
No worries.
So remember there, what should your final check be before you move off?
I need to check that side again. Yeah.
You'd be missing that.
As soon as you stop in this position, select reverse gear. Guppa takes some time, so this gives traffic behind no warning we are reversing. Now when steering to the left, the front of our vehicle swings out, so you must check the right blind spot before your vehicle swings out. He touches the curb, which is a minor fault, but when he readjusts, he gets too close to the vehicle in front.
It's not on that side either. It's gonna come down here. Chill. Go forward a little bit.
Okay, stop.
So canal, bro. That's it. Yeah, we're in, bro. We're in. Go back a little bit. So we're not on that dropped curb, guys.
It's time to be brutally honest with Guppa.
Okay, I was going to give you the feedback while you were doing it, but that bus pulled up.
Muscle uncle came in.
So I was like, I'm not putting you in any more stress. Leave the engine running so the AC stays on.
Yes.
Yeah, based on what I've seen,
Yeah.
I refuse to believe you have a driving license. I'm not even joking. Yeah, there's a lot of work to be, work to be done yet to improve your driving.
Yeah.
Lane discipline. You know when you did your driving test, did you park on the pavement at any point?
No. I'm like, all the cars there are parked. I don't know what to do.
Remember, this is a mock driving test.
Yeah.
Roundabout, your lane discipline, just like too late back. You said you weren't counting the exits, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, but then when we were going in, onto the roundabout, just going from one lane to the other.
Yeah.
Yeah, drifting lanes. That for experienced drivers, obviously, I'm not fussed about the little stuff. You know, you're not checking your mirrors before you're signalling. Yeah, but there's no danger being caused there.
Yeah.
But when you do the main lane changes, when you're exiting around, you do check your mirrors. But generally, when you enter a roundabout, especially when we're going straight ahead, if you're in the middle lane or use the right lane a couple of times, you're all over the place. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I'll go through some. Obviously, you had a couple with the speed as well.
Yeah.
We'll go through the rest off camera. But yeah, that's not how a qualified driver should drive.